Hey everyone, so this is the video which you asked me, the comparison of Redmi Note 5 Pro and Mi 6X for the slow motion video. You can feel the difference and see the quality of both the phone, and let me know which one you think is better and give me your opinion in the comment section. And don't forget to comment, like and share this video and subscribe my channel. And on 25th I will do the giveaway of my Mi 6X. I bought one new phone, Mi 6X golden color, and you can also tell me which one you prefer, golden or black, so the winner will get the one which he liked. So if you want any other comparison or any other video regarding Mi 6X or Redmi Note 5 Pro, so please let me know in the comment section so I can make it. Tomorrow I will make a video about the notification light of Mi 6X. Many people ask me, does we have colorful notification light or does we have notification light in Mi 6X? So tomorrow I will upload that video. So if any other video you want, please let me know.